Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch A1 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and to turn it on, press and hold the upper button. After the watch turns on, you may see the list of languages on the screen. If you see it, scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use, and tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, tap on the check mark to confirm. And after that, you will see the QR code on the screen. It means that we need to download and install the Mibro Fit application on the phone we want to pair our watch with. So, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on the phone. Then open the App Store, Google Play Store, tap on search and type in Mibro Fit and tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, Mibro Fit. Tap on the install button. And after the application is done installing, tap on open. Here tap on agree and continue. And now we need to log in into a Mibro Fit account. If you don't have an account, tap on no account, register now, or you can also use third-party account like a Google, Facebook, Weibo, or WeChat to log in. So select one you like, or log in with a normal account. I'm gonna use the Mibro Fit account because I already have one, so give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and then we can tap on login. And after you log in, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. For example, here we have the location permission. You don't need to allow it, but if you want to use some features like tracking your activities on the map and stuff like that, it's recommended to allow the permission. But like I said, you don't need to allow it. This one, the allow Mibro Fit to find, connect to and determine the relative position of nearby devices. This one is required if you want to pair the watch with your phone, so make sure to tap on allow. This one is not required, but if you want to use stuff like custom watch face and stuff like that, you need to allow it. And after you're done with the permissions, you should see the home page of the app. Now tap on the device icon. Here tap on add device. Scroll through the list and find your Mibro Watch A1. Once you find it, tap on it to select it. The app will start looking for the nearby devices, and it should detect our watch in a second. Oh, here we have it. It detected our watch. We can now tap on it to select it. Tap on go on. And at this point, as you can see, we have our Mibro Watch A1 on the device page, and if you wake up the screen on your watch, you can use it, which means that devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.